For those looking to boost the performance of their Lenovo ThinkCentre M60q Chromebox or M70q Gen 3 Gen 4 Tiny Desktop, the ATEC 64GB RAM kit might be the upgrade you need. This kit includes two 32GB DDR4 SODIMM modules, operating at a speedy 3200 MHz, PC4-25600. Designed specifically for compatibility with a range of ThinkCentre models, including 12C6, 12C8, 12C9, 12JK, 12GL, 11T3, 11T4, 11TY, 11U0, 11UD, 11x2, 11x6, 12x10 cubed, and 12x10 to the power of 4 machine types. This ATEC kit takes the guesswork out of upgrading. The modules are InnoNCC unbuffered, with a 2RX8 configuration and adhere to the JEDEC DDR4 standard of 1.2V. The primary benefit of upgrading to 64GB of RAM is a noticeable improvement in system performance. More RAM translates to smoother multitasking, reduced bottlenecks, and an increased capacity to handle demanding workloads. Whether you're running multiple applications simultaneously, working with large datasets, or engaging in memory-intensive tasks, this upgrade should provide a tangible boost in productivity. Installation is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to perform the upgrade at home without requiring specialized technical skills. ATEC recommends consulting your system's manual for specific instructions on module seating and channel configurations to ensure optimal performance. ATEC stands behind its products with stringent quality control testing on all memory modules. This ensures dependable and reliable performance. The kit is also backed by ATEC's limited lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind and demonstrating the company's commitment to customer satisfaction. Furthermore, their knowledgeable tech team is available to provide support both before and after your purchase, should you have any questions or require assistance. If you're looking for a reliable and effective way to maximize the potential of your Lenovo ThinkCentre Tiny Desktop, the ATEC 64GB RAM kit is worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.